صل على محمد وآل محمد اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
On the second day of his visit to the United Kingdom, Maulana Hazar Imam spent much of the day at the Ismaili Centre in London, where he granted to youth mulaqats in the intimate setting of the Darkhana prayer hall. Later in the day, Hazar Imam returned to the centre to meet with Jamaati leaders at an institutional reception, in which he thanked attendees and their families for their service to the Jamaat and wider society. The Ismaili Centre was buzzing with activity throughout the day, as volunteers worked non-stop to ensure today's events ran smoothly. Tomorrow, Hazar Imam will grace the UK, Ireland and Channel Islands Jamaats with Didar.
अव्वल तू आखिर तू ज़ाहिर तू बातिन तू रब्बल तू रहमान तू अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद या Allahumma salli